very good evening to you. Few more questions post the roundtable session you just had. Given the expansion of your role as a CFO, how are you maintaining the equilibrium?
Yeah, so hi, I'm Neha Rajvanshi. I'm CFO of one of the fastest growing renewable platform in India, Serentica Renewable, which is basically decarbonizing this hard to abate industries like manufacturing and mining, and at the same time providing the clean fuel for the India's energy requirement. So as the CFO of the organization, I'm not only handling the regular financial stuff like my costings or IRRs or the balance sheets. Rather, I'm being involved in the basic decision making, be it the innovations what we are bringing in, or the energy solutioning, or the say quantifying the sustainability, the climate impact assessments, customer value propositions. So in that way, currently the role is not limited to finance. So we are not only the stewards of capital, rather we are the advocates of impact, and that is the this impact of this entire renewable, the changes that we bring in. So that is something with which I continue, and I view my profile like this only.
If I ask you that, where does technology stand in all these fast-paced changes, and how is your company adopting to the new advent of AI? Have you applied it in some sectors of your company? How has it turned out? What would you say?
So AI definitely is a very strong tool, and the kind of complexities we have in business these days. So AI is not an option, rather it has become the necessity. It's very important to design the AI in that manner that can facilitate your requirement. As you asked how we are using AI in our company, so we are basically managing renewable power generation, which is totally dependent on the solar power or the wind. So it depends on how the sun shines or how the wind flows, but my revenue generation cannot be dependent on that factor. So I need to bring some stability in the company. So we have developed our in-house AI tool, what we call Sera, which basically helps us this entire forecasting, scheduling, communication with the external regulatory and the customers. When on every time block, 15 minutes time block basis, we need to provide a seamless round the clock power. So AI is definitely working as a very effective tool for us. At the same time, say land is a very, very critical resource for us. While we are managing thousands of acres of land currently, so in our case, the manual process where you basically starts with reviewing the documents or doing the title search and the legal review manually, that takes lots of time, and that basically impact the project timelines. So we implemented an online land automation management tools that basically simplifies the entire process, and land being that critical thing, so it also creates the document trail starting from all the land records. Everything is there in system, which is easily accessible. So in that way, currently we are developing in-house solutions for all our AI requirements.
All right, Neha. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here. Thank you.